world, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. So today I wanted to do kind of a thankful series since it's this time of year and we're down to the last 2 months of the year. So I think this is a really great time to kind of reflect on the things that have happened and kind of express some of the things that I'm truly grateful for. If 2020 has taught us anything, we should not be taking anything for granted. So I kind of just wanted to do a quick little mini series just talking about some of the things that I am truly thankful for 2020. And honestly, there's definitely a lot, at least for me, especially when there's just so much happening in the world. You know, I feel like I'm so truly blessed. So let's get started. So first on the list I am so thankful for is my health. Not only my physical health, but my mental health. I mean, this year has been so insane, and I've been able to take moments and be able to take care of myself and make sure that I'm okay, and take time to stop and check in and say, hey, how are we doing? Do we need to take a step back? Do we need to rest? You know, not everyone has been able to do something like that. You know, not everyone was able to have the luxury of being able to work from home and just be able to create almost their own schedule. You know, I feel so lucky to be able to work from home, stay in a safe distance, and just be able to make sure that I'm supplying myself with the right positivity levels and be able to do the things that keep me normal and keep me in a very good positive state, because everything has been so crazy. It truly has. And you know, being able to afford proper nutrition and vitamins and minerals and things like that to make sure that this body is ready and able to fight anything that comes at it. Yeah, so one of the things that I'm so grateful is being able to take care of myself and make sure that my health and my mental health are at a really great level. So that's my quick little thankful series, is I'm thankful for my health. So second in my thankful series, I am thankful for the relationships that I have been able to not only begin but also strengthen. You know, I feel like 2020 has been able to slow me down in my role and be able to kind of prioritize some things that are very important. And if you haven't gotten the clear message, nothing is ever guaranteed, and we never know when your time is up, when, you know, someone in your family's time is up, like, you know, and appreciating every moment with them and making sure just to check in to see if they're okay, making sure that, you know, they feel your love and support. So that's one of the things that I've been focusing on, is just making sure that, you know, those around me feel appreciated, you know, that they feel that I'm there and I'm always, you know, an ear to listen. You know, maybe not a physical shoulder to cry on, but I'm still 100% right there with them. So that's one of the things that I am so thankful for, is everyone that is in my life, all my friends, all my family, and all the new acquaintances that I've been able to make virtually, until I can meet up with them physically. So that's one of the things that I really want to say, is I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to have everyone in my life. And yeah, I think that's gonna conclude that one. So this is the final one. It is the last but certainly not least. So to kind of conclude my little mini thankful series, I am so thankful for the things that I have around me. For example, my home. Right now, you know, mental health, there's so many people out there that are not sure if they're going to be able to have a home. And that's one of the things that I'm just so thankful for, is that, you know, all the things around me, the fact that I have food in my fridge, that I'm not worried of, you know, what's going to happen next. Like, I still have some stability in my life, and I am super, super thankful for everything that I have around me. And every day I definitely send a strong gratitude vibe out into the universe, because it's true, we never know what's going to happen, and there are plenty of us that have seen when things can go wrong and the impacts that it has. So, you know, I want to definitely put as much appreciation to all the things that I have around me, and definitely sending positive vibes and love to those who are definitely in a struggle. You know, obviously it's not easy, and you know, we try to get through this all together the best we can. So that concludes my little thank you series. I know this is kind of like one of the first times that I've done this, but I thought this was a really great time because 2020 has been such a crazy year, and it's been so different, that I thought this would be a really great thing, just to try and take a moment and, you know, appreciate the things around you, and just appreciate everything that we still have in our lives, because anything can change and we never really know. So that is the end of this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope, you know, you're able to take a moment and realize kind of the things that you have and the things that you're thankful for. And as always, I'm always thankful for my viewers. And, you know, if there's any comments that you want to add, I'm always here for it. So until next time, babes, I mean, we're in full holiday season, so stay tuned for the next videos. Bye, guys.